welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing a short, except there is going to be a tornado watch. And right now we're watching the weather. This is supposed to not look like this. The sky. Look at the sky. And we're ready for the sirens noise. That means there's going to be a tornado. We're going to hide inside. We're going to find somewhere that's going to be a good place. Guy, you know, look at how black is the sky. And bro, I'm not capping. I saw that lock when it was full open. Look, now I'm just gonna wait here and just walk. That black thing, I'm really scared of it. I think it's a tornado. It better not. We're gonna keep you updated. It better be